In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify error processing customer payments. If you're seeing an error when customers try to pay, the first thing we want to do is confirm that your store's account is in good standing and that the payment source on file with Shopify is correctly connected. This matters because if Shopify can't charge your subscription or related fees, parts of your checkout experience may not work as expected. Start by opening the Shopify website and head to your admin dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. This opens the area where you manage the behind-the-scenes details of your store. From here, select Billing. The Billing section is where Shopify shows your plan, invoices, and most importantly for this issue, your payment sources. If you're on a premium account, you'll see options for payment sources. This is the card or funding method Shopify uses to bill your plan and apps. Take a moment to confirm that the payment method shown is active and connected. You want to see that it's not expired, blocked, or showing any warnings. If something looks off, update it so Shopify can successfully charge your account. Even a small mismatch or an expired card can ripple into checkout problems for your customers. After confirming the payment source is connected, go back to your store and refresh your site. A simple refresh ensures any account or billing updates are recognized right away. If you had the storefront open in another tab, reload that page as well to clear any cached state that might be showing the old error. Now test whether the error message still appears to customers. If the issue is resolved, great. You've confirmed the billing connection was the blocker. If the error is still there, don't worry. At this point, the most efficient next move is to contact Shopify customer service. Let them know you reviewed the billing section and verified the payment source is connected, but the error persists. Having that detail ready helps support narrow the problem faster. When you reach out to customer service, it can help to note the exact wording of the error and roughly when it started. If it shows only on certain products or locations, mention that as well. Support can check your account status, run diagnostics, and guide you through any store-specific fixes. That's the process. Open Shopify, go to Settings, click Billing, make sure your payment sources are connected, refresh your site, and if the error remains, contact customer service for assistance.